Welcome to the G-Week Cloud channel. Today, we will explain how to install the G3 software on macOS. Open the G-Laser installation package. Drag G-Laser to the Applications folder. Prompt: an item named G-Laser already exists in this location. Do you want to replace it with the one you're moving? Click Replace to proceed. Locate the G-Laser application and launch it. Wait for the software to start up. It will detect the device and initialize. Prompt: G-Laser would like to access the camera. Two options are available: Don't Allow and OK. If you accidentally click Don't Allow, the camera will be restricted from use by G-Laser, which will affect the software's visual positioning and height measurement functions. Please go to System Preferences, find the Privacy tab under Security, Privacy. Click Camera. G-Laser. Locate G-Laser in the list of applications on the right and check the box next to it. Checking the box means the macOS allows the selected application to access your camera. Therefore, if you select OK instead of Allow, you will proceed directly to the next step without the need for additional system permission settings. Click New. Click Language under Settings. Select your preferred language. Click Parameters in the Settings menu. Select Read Parameters. Prompt: are you sure you want to read parameters from the device? This operation will overwrite local parameters. Click Yes. The parameter reading process takes approximately 25 seconds. After successful parameter reading, a prompt will appear. Parameter reading successful. The software needs to restart. Click Confirm. After parameter reading is completed, the software needs to be restarted manually. Click Language under Settings. Select your preferred language if needed. Click the Camera Refresh button. The image has been updated. Note: parameter reading is only required for the initial device system parameter configuration. No need to repeat this operation for subsequent use. That's all for the G3 software installation guide. Check the G-Week Cloud YouTube channel for more tutorials.